Hey bunnies, as you can see, this is going to be a hairstyling video slash giveaway info video. So what I'm going to do to keep it nice and short and sweet is to give you the giveaway information while I'm styling my hair. Now this is the same kinky curl from Beauty Elements. I have partnered up with them again to give you this giveaway, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I pretty much style my hair for the day with this hair type. Now when I wake up in the morning, this is pretty much how the hair looks. It's not, you know, the curls in the back are pretty much still defined, but in the closure area, as you can see, it's not so much. You feel me? So what we're gonna do is define the curls in the front, let it all blend, and give it this nice, sleek, wet look. The first thing I'm gonna do, section off the hair, and I'm gonna just kind of detangle it a little bit. Now, like I said, I'm gonna be giving you the giveaway info while I'm doing this. So the length here that I'm wearing, if you did not watch last week's video, is 16, 18, and 20 inches, and the frontal, which is an ear to ear 13x4 frontal, is 14 inches, and this is the hair that you will be winning if you win. How to win is super easy. All you need to do is, 1, make sure that you are subscribed to the Beauty Elements YouTube channel. 2, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. We will be checking these things. As you can see, it's pretty easy to detangle as well. It's like not even that crazy. But I'm just doing this literally for the purpose of the video, because yeah, I detangled it last week and I've been just wearing it just like that, and I haven't detangled it since, so it's been pretty good to me. No complaints at all, no crazy shedding except what's about to happen right now, which you can see in the comb. And of course you want to use a wide tooth comb while doing this, and I have not wet it or anything. This is a dry detangle. When your lion's mane is completely detangled, go ahead with your spray bottle full of H2O. No conditioners added to this, just straight water, and go ahead and dampen the hair. Now I like to get my hair pretty wet, like pretty wet, right? Oh, and I did tweeze the hairline since installing it last week. So if the front looks a little bit different, that's what it is, and it is glued down to my head. So you see the difference already with just water. Yeah, this hair is shiz naive. So keep wetting and it will just automatically just start defining. All right, so back to the giveaway. We already said that the first thing was to make sure you're subscribed to me, make sure you're subscribed to the Beauty Elements channel, and that will be linked in the description bar below. The next thing I want you to do is make sure that you are following me on Instagram at Kissyface, and make sure you are following Bijoux Hair USA on Instagram. Follow both pages. We will be checking these things, okay? I still haven't bleached the knots on this hair. This is like this part that you're seeing right here, that's all makeup. Like I am too lazy to bleach my own knots, yo. I don't have the time. Now what I'll say while you're wetting and rubbing, try not to rake through the hair, because that takes away from the curl definition, okay? So when your hair is completely wet, I think this side is wetter than this side. Let's put some more water on this. So I was in my local beauty supply store, and this was recommended to me, S Curl No Drip. This right here, spray this on your natural hair, this spray this on your curly hair. It will activate your curls, it will make your curls pop like nobody's business. This right here, I paid $5.99 for this big old bottle, and a little bit goes a long way. So back to the 2 sections that we had, and go ahead and just apply your product, and it comes out nice and thick. It's a liquid, yes, but it's creamy, you know? It's like the Hawaiian silky thing. And then I like to stretch my curls so that I still have the length with the definition. And again, do not rake your fingers through the curls, because that will separate the curls and make it frizzy. Look at that already. Look at that difference already. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. And I like to clump the hairs together in the cloth frontal because, like I said, with this it frizzes a little bit more than the bundles do. All right, so the next step in this giveaway is to comment, of course. You're going to go to the Beauty Elements hair page, the Beauty Elements YouTube page, and you're going to go on to any of their videos and comment and say, Kissyface sent me for the giveaway. That's it. Go to their YouTube page, go on any one of their videos and comment, Kissyface sent me for the giveaway. All right. Once that is done, you come back to my page, or if you're already on my page, just like this video. You have to like the video. All right. You have to, oops. You have to like, you have to comment, and you have to subscribe. The 3 things that every YouTuber begs you to do in all of their videos, that's exactly what you're going to do. We're going to move on to the next portion of styling my hair, and that is using this Shea Miracle leave-in conditioner from African Pride. So, and I just take a little bit of that, like that much, and I use this only on the frontal to again define those curls in clumps like that. Clumps like that. This helps with the curl definition. It helps to keep the curls throughout the entire day, and it also moisturizes and all that good stuff. You know, with curly hair, you want to put as much moisture in there as possible so it doesn't look dry and frizzy and crazy. Now, what I have noticed with just using these, because you could always go along with this and be done, but what I have noticed is that after, like, I want to say maybe 7 or 8 hours, I'm sure that might just be the end of your day. After that, the hair expands. It doesn't stay flat the way this is right now. So to avoid the hair expanding after the 6, 7, 8 hours, I like to take my OGX Quenching Coconut Curls Frizz Define Moisture Mousse. Now this one will also define the curls but keep the curls nice and flat, you know. And mine is almost done, but I take a good amount of pumps on each side, so like that much right there, that much, and then just go down the length of the hair like that. I don't scrunch it into it because, again, we want to stretch the curls. And again, do not rake your fingers through the curls. Just smooth it on down. And after I do that, I go in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil, the oil treatment, not the pure argan oil. This one I paid $7.99 at my local beauty supply store. Same thing with the OGX Coconut Curls. That one was $7.99 as well. All right, and I take a little bit of that. I want to say like a nickel-sized amount of oil. Rub that in my hands, and then start from the ends of the hair. Same thing with the frontal, and then work my way up. Because you don't want, as the hair is drying, it starts to get frizzy and just not look cute. Frizzy and dry, right? Now what I'm gonna do next is get my boar bristle brush, local beauty supply store, $2.99, and this is the hard one. They have soft, medium, hard. You can go for a medium, go for a soft, go for hard, whatever you feel, but I'm using a hard. And I just brush that down so that the top is nice and flat and smooth. What I know a lot of girls do is use like a pressing comb, but since the hair is so wet, I don't want to put heat on the hair and then it just messes it up, right? So I just brush it, and I look like a little schoolgirl. And then blend all of that in together like that. Not raking, but just, you know, yeah, making it cute, making it cute. And honestly, I'm so far away from this thing, I don't know how it's really and truly looking. I'm just like going off of what I've been doing all week. So yeah, and then if you want, you tuck it right here. Probably look crazy, I can't even tell because I can't see anything. But I tuck it behind my ear like that, and then we are good to go. And you can do this either on the side, you can do this in the center. From this you can do like a half up, half down type of thing. That would be cute. And yeah, that's it for how I define the kinky curly hair from Beauty Elements. Now, like I said, this is the hair that you will be winning. The lengths are 16, 18, and 20 inches with a 14-inch 13x4 frontal. There are only a few steps. One, make sure that you're subscribed to me. Make sure that you're subscribed to the Beauty Elements YouTube channel. You want to make sure that you're following myself and you're following Beauty Elements on Instagram. You want to like this video. You want to go to their channel, their YouTube channel, and comment under any video Kissyface sent me for the giveaway. So, is that what I said? Yeah, I think that's what I said. And that is it. When the giveaway is over, I want to say like 2 weeks or so, Beauty Elements is the one who'll be choosing the winner. They're the ones who'll be contacting you and sending out the hair to you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank Beauty Elements for sponsoring this video. And yeah, it is what it is. Thanks. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.